Potatoes are nutritious, offering vitamins like C and B6, minerals like potassium and fiber. They provide energy, support heart and digestive health, boost immunity, and promote satiety, which can aid in weight management. Versatile and affordable, they can be prepared in many healthy ways. Potatoes are truly the king of vegetables, embodying versatility and universal appeal. Whether paired with fish, chicken, beef, mutton, or even dry fish, they seamlessly complement any dish. Their ability to be integrated into a wide range of meals, from salads and fries to McDonald's famous fries, highlights their adaptability. In the world of vegetables, potatoes stand out for their ability to be enjoyed with or without accompaniments, whether boiled, baked, or mashed. They fit perfectly alongside rice or can be savored on their own, offering a comforting, wholesome experience. Potatoes symbolize simplicity and abundance, nourishing millions across the globe with their rich, satisfying taste. Their universal presence in cuisines around the world, from humble homes to gourmet kitchens, showcases their unmatched ability to bring people together over shared meals. Truly, the potato is not just a vegetable, it's a global staple, a symbol of sustenance, and a culinary cornerstone that transcends cultures and cuisines. In every bite of potato, there is a taste of tradition, nourishment, and the simple joy of good food.